Construction sites are high-risk areas for a number of reasons, many of them obvious. Many construction sites have examples of the three elements required to start a blaze: a source of ignition, oxygen, and fuel. Fires in these environments can be highly destructive, with damage to materials, delays to construction, and risk to life being just some of the consequences. With many occurring each year, it's important to understand some of the common causes, helping those responsible to avoid fires from breaking out. While all construction sites contain fire hazards of some sort, those deemed most at risk are the areas of refurbishment, demolition, or reconstruction. This is due to their old electrical cabling or dry wood that could be hidden from view of the workers. Coupled with the likelihood of sparks from construction work, such as soldering or sawing, all of the elements required to start a fire are there. A wide range of combustible fuels are also in place on many construction sites, from insulating materials and glues to timbers and plastics. Fuels used to power any plant equipment, tools, or vehicles on site should also be taken into account. Although many construction companies use flame retardant materials, there are still certain scaffold or roof coverings that could potentially end up as a fuel in a fire. This is a particular hazard, as coverings are usually in place when the site is closed, meaning that any fire would go unattended for a longer period, causing greater damage. Careful storage of building materials that may be flammable is one major way in which accidental fires can be avoided on construction sites. Also, good housekeeping is an effective preventative measure when it comes to reducing fire hazards on site. Not only are combustible elements kept out of harm's way, but evacuation routes are also kept clear to ensure that all workers can escape in the event of a blaze. As with any working premises, construction sites should be fully equipped with the necessary tools to both warn against and to fight fire should one occur. Extinguishers should be matched to the potential types of fire that are most likely to break out in that environment. Arson is always a major fire risk at any commercial premises, and construction environments are no exception. Security is vital throughout the area, from perimeter fences to cameras and guards to monitor otherwise unattended sites. Construction sites are high-risk areas. Fire hazards are among many dangers that are present and should be taken all the more seriously because of this. A mix of caution, keeping flammable materials contained, and effective housekeeping, and preventative measures such as correct extinguisher types and sufficient security measures is the best way to avoid what could potentially be a disastrous fire on site.